Oh, personal budgets. I love to create a personal budget with the categories of expenses and income. If you ever want help with a personal budget, I find this fascinating. So let's jump right in. Let's first just discuss when you are talking about personal budgeting, we first need to really understand income and expenses. So when we talk about income, these are your regular earnings, your salary, your wages, employment income. Do not count the $20 your mom gave you for Christmas or the $15 you found on the subway as income. That's just a bonus, right? The income is stuff that you depend on. I know that I earn $2,000 a month at this job. That is income because you can depend on it to pay your bills. Okay, expenses are the bills that happen all the time, right? I know I have a mortgage payment every month. I have a car loan. I eat a lot. I have insurance for my car and my house. I have a phone bill. I have utilities, right? I've got electric and gas and a water bill. All of those types of things that happen every month like clockwork, those are the expenses. I don't consider my, fuel injection flush that happened last week as an expense because it happens every 30,000 miles, which is every 2.5 years. So when you're talking about expenses, we're talking about those things that reoccur. I'm not saying that you shouldn't budget for things like car repairs or house repairs. Those are things that you should save for. That's a whole different story. Let's get into the question. Let's go ahead and do some math. You have a monthly income of $3,200. You live by yourself, okay? So you need to pay rent for $1,200. You've got utilities of $150, grocery bills $175. That's a little low, I think, for the month, but we'll go with it. A car payment of $350, a cell phone bill of $55, and insurance of $85. How much do you have left for unexpected expenses or other items? Notice I didn't say like fun money to just go blow, at the movies, because you never know what's going to happen. You should always save. It would be good to also even include savings as part of your expenses so that you every month put a little bit away in case something crazy happens. However, let's get back to this question. Let's first find the total of all of the expenses. How much do we have to spend every month for these bills? Well, if I add those all together, the rent, the car payment, the groceries, the insurance, all those things, I get $2,015. Now, to find how much is left, we're going to take our total income and subtract our expenses. It is always good if your income is higher than your expenses. So we subtract my income of $3,200 minus my total expenses of $2,015. And that means you will have $1,185 left over for unexpected expenses or other needs throughout the month. So if you want to go out and go to a nice restaurant, if you want to spend more than $175 on groceries, get yourself some ice cream or anything else like that. So you know how much you have left so that you don't overspend. Budgeting is great to keep you on pace so you can save for your future, save for unexpected events, and always be financially responsible. Thank you.